So hello guys, so bali 43 days na po ang atin pong calves. Ayan, 43 days. Bilis nila magutom guys. Sobrang hangin, no? Ayan, 43 days. So yun lang guys, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell for more videos. Thank you for watching. Bye bye. Bye bye na.